Hello and welcome. You are watching Business Today. I'm Neetu Chandra Sharma. As global pharmaceutical supply chains shift, many international companies are now looking at India for manufacturing and partnerships. India offers scale, skilled talent, and a strong regulatory framework, making it an attractive option for global pharma players. Interor, a European company that supplies pharmaceutical intermediates and specialty chemicals, has been expanding in Europe. But is India part of its next phase of growth? To find out, I'm joined by Geoffroy Waroqueaux, CEO of Interor. Welcome, Geoffroy, to the show. Let me begin by asking you, is Interor considering a direct investment in India, and in what form?
At this stage, Interor's primary focus in India is to strengthen collaboration with leading API manufacturers through our newly established Mumbai office. This presence enables us to work closely with our Indian partners on custom synthesis, technology transfer, supply chain optimization for our European and worldwide pharma clients. While we are not currently planning direct investment in manufacturing and R&D facilities in India, we remain open to exploring strategic partnerships that could create mutual value. The Indian pharma ecosystem is dynamic, innovative, and globally connected, qualities we greatly appreciate as a fine chemical specialist committed to supporting high-value, complex pharmaceutical projects. Future investment decisions will be guided by market opportunities and the success of our ongoing collaboration in this region.
Given the scale and speed what India offers, what has held Interor back from setting up operations or forming a joint venture here, if you can tell us?
India's scale and leadership in pharma manufacturing are undeniable, and Interor greatly values the expertise, infrastructure, and global competitiveness of Indian API producers. This precisely why we have established our presence in Mumbai, to be closer to this dynamic ecosystem and build strong and agile collaborations. For chemical specialists like Interor, the investment decisions are highly driven by the specific needs of our pharma clients, regulatory framework, and the complexity of the molecules we produce. Many of our projects involve highly customized synthesis routes, niche regulatory requirements, and IP protection, which often necessitates maintaining part of our manufacturing capabilities in Europe. That said, we are actively exploring strategic partnership in India, and should the right opportunity align, where it creates real value for both parties in terms of technology, market access, and operational excellence, we would be open to considering JV or operational investment in the future. Our Mumbai office is the first step in that direction.
You recently announced a 22 million euros expansion in Calais, France. Do you see India as a similar opportunity to serve Asian and global markets more effectively?
Yeah, our recent €22 million investment in Calais reflects Interor's commitment to supporting our pharmaceutical clients with high-value, complex molecule manufacturing in Europe, particularly for regulated markets like the Europe and the US. It allows us to expand capacity for key intermediates and to enhance our technology capabilities for innovative synthesis processes. At the same time, we fully recognize the strategic importance of Asia and India in particular in the global pharma supply chain. While we are currently serving Asian markets through our European facility and our newly established Mumbai office for sourcing and project coordination, we remain open to evaluating opportunities for industrial collaboration or local operation in India when they align with our long-term strategy. For now, our priority is to build strong, reliable partnerships with leading India API manufacturers and to support our clients by integrating the best of both ecosystems. That means European regulatory expertise and operational excellence with Indian scale and agility in pharma.
We would also like to know if Interor is currently in talks with any Indian pharma companies for co-development or maybe backward integration of key intermediates.
Absolutely. We are currently in active discussions with several Indian and fine chemicals companies regarding potential collaborations. This includes opportunities for co-development of complex intermediates and reliable long-term sourcing partnership for key building blocks. While no formal agreements have been yet announced, our Mumbai office plays a crucial role in identifying, evaluating, and structuring these partnerships with select high-quality Indian manufacturers. We believe that combining Interor's expertise in complex synthesis and regulatory compliance with India's industrial agility can deliver significant value for both sides. And I'm very confident and very optimistic for that.
Geoffroy, I would like to ask you, going forward and looking ahead, how does Interor evaluate India's regulatory landscape, skilled workforce and infrastructure compared to Europe, and when it comes to making future investment decisions, how do you see that?
India has made remarkable progress in the recent years in strengthening its regulatory talent, particularly in process chemistry, analytical development and regulatory affairs. Is impressive and continues to evolve rapidly to meet the expectation of the global pharma market. That said, for highly regulated markets like Europe, US or Japan, the regulatory environments remain complex and demanding. And we see a gap in certain areas of compliance culture, audit readiness, but this gap is reducing and we see several Indian companies investing heavily in global regulatory expertise. This positive trend reinforces our confidence in exploring deeper collaboration in India. For sure, investment decisions, Interor will continue to carefully evaluate not only technical capabilities, but also the maturity of regulatory governance and supply chain transparency within potential Indian partners.
That was Geoffroy Waroqueaux from Interor. Thank you so much for watching the program and stay tuned for more updates.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.